I love it. It is beautiful.
Flagging it.
Acting. I know you know how to make hair. Hey, do you know this my hair will bring customers for you?
Really?
Yeah, this one will sell your handwork.
You're making me blush,
Thank you very much.
Okay.
It's 400 naira, yeah? Keep the change. You did a very good job.
God will bless you.
Home base. Wait,
3310.
How far?
Thank you. Alright, now let me get to your attachment.
Let's start. I don't know why you took time to make that witch's hair.
Yeah, these are attachments.
Wait, now this is not the attachment I gave you now.
Oh, sorry. Are you sure you came with your own attachment? Because I can't find it inside. I can't find it too.
I gave you this attachment in the morning now when I was passing this place. Please.
Ew. I thought it was your sister that came with this one.
Ini! You thought it was who? You thought it was my sister that came with it? Please, for peace to reign. For peace to reign, give me back my attachment. In short, I'm not doing it again. Just give me back my attachment.
I'm sorry.
I'm not making the hair. What is your sorry?
I used it on your sister.
I have heard now. Come and give me back my attachments.
Okay, let me quickly take a motorcycle and
get another. It's not about taking motorcycle. You don't understand. I said I want my attachment. That particular attachment I gave to you. That is the one I want.
Hey, Pikonu, let me go and buy you another. Hey, Pikonu, let me just buy you another.
Come and give me my attachment. You didn't know.
It's so beautiful. Thank you. I know. And I want to carry the hair for 1 month. So start counting for me from today.
That means you have to be maintaining it. If not, we'll see.
Mama, trust me now.
Witches! Okay.
What is your problem now?
You see what you've caused?
Yes, Sarah. Very sorry. I made a very big mistake. I used Dabe's attachment to braid your hair instead of your own attachment you came with. Biko, I'm very
Are you
sorry.
wasting time explaining to this idiot? To sell my attachment in Kita, Biko!
What did you just say? You used whose attachment to do my hair?
Please let me lose your hair for you. See, I'll make exactly the same style with your own attachment. Biko.
Ina anoka. You're wasting time. To sell my attachment in Biko.
Is it true? Mama, how am I supposed to know which one is the witch's attachment? Hey!
Hey! What did you do? You use this witch's attachment to make my hair? Are you mad? Okay. When she was making it, you didn't see it was not your attachment, Abi? You didn't see it? Come and losing this hair.
Go. How much is the attachment? Let me give you money to go and buy it.
I don't want that your evil money, neither do I want another attachment. I want this particular one on her head. This particular attachment. No strand must remain.
How much is the attachment? Let me give you the money.
You stole it, eh? You must lose in the hair. You see it here.
What is your business here? Were you here when it happened? It's a mistake. Why are you opening your mouth too wide for me?
You know, get Tosanya Blissy. Okay, get it for Nemo, get it for. Yeah, I come out to know you have to see this here. Bobble, don't come.
Mama, don't even say
Let us shame.
Mama, don't even say
Let us shame them. Let them.
Which shame? Which shame? Who has the shame? The thief or the owner?
We will appear on it.
No. Losing this head, you can give me no strand of my attachment must remain on this head, and my attachment must not mix with her hair. That evil hair she has.
Hey, out of fianya.
Ogini. To sisi what the hair straight. Don't bend. These are the 2 goats. I hope they'll be good for your pepper soup business.
Yes.
Very good. Now you're talking. You don't have to fear. There's nobody at home. This is my father's compound. And everything under the roof and the surroundings belongs to me. I am telling you, take these goats.
Amamka, I know that.
Babu, you don't have to feel like a thief. I am giving you these 2 goats to boost your business. I've done my bit, but you must kill them today. You have to do that for me. Make sure these things are butchered today. Sunset must not meet them alive.
Sure. You see, this evening, you will be in your father's house and perceive the aroma of this pepper soup, of this goat.
I trust you. The bad.
But how much shall I buy you for?
Babua, I am giving you goats. You're asking me how much? No, Christmas. Take time. Take goat and do pepper soup because touch them well, you will see. Very healthy things. If you go near no.
You see, all the goats that I butcher in my pepper soup jobs are all stolen. Sharp.
Hey, Babua! Oga sharp. Carry on. Take over. That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know. I don't know. Fire the panama, I don't know.
What happened to our goats?
Bow. What? They were here before we left now. Hey! Someone must have untied them now. Wait for them. They have untied the goats.
Who must have untied them? Did I send anyone?
No! But you gave them room to do it.
Them who?
Mama, do you think a stranger walked into this place and untied our goats? No. Oh, eh? Mama, you are taking this fight too holy. Mama, let us fight this fight. Let us fight it once and for all and show them the stuff we're made of. Mama, if you keep quiet here, they will kill us or even cripple us. Get it for?
Besara, don't accuse anybody of an offense you're not sure the person committed.
Mama, who else do you think did it? Who do you think had the guts to walk in here and collect our goods?
Naya, we'll just go and ask them if they saw our goods. There's no point accusing anybody yet. Though,
Go and ask them yourself because I will not go with you. Get it hard. Mama, you are dulling me. You are dulling me too much.
Man, boy, can sleep at yourself. I'm confused. Wait, Tibie. Where turn I up? Get them. Take care of wonder. The modernity, I see one in 81. If you
Nemolu, I greet you. We came back from the farm only to find out that our goats are missing. So, if you can give us a clue.
Hi. So, it is my Nemolu that you are coming to ask for your goats. You didn't tell me you have started practicing animal husbandry. Ask her. So when did you turn me into an animal husband? Zakenem?
Nebiko, I don't mean any disrespect. Since both of you have been at home, I said, let me find out from you if you saw our goat.
It's okay.
Let us go.
Go where? They must provide the goat too. And don't share fire with the goat. I'm not going anywhere till they provide that goat. Hey! See 2 human goats. Yes. Looking for 2 real goats. Coming to ask human beings like us. What kind of madness is that? Do you not know how to go into the village? Go there and go and cry like your fellow goat. So that they will hear your voice. They go do that. I teach you. You will surely find Guinea. Mama, you are dulling me. You are dulling me. This girl is a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. Mama, just allow me to deal with that. You can't do it. You
I don't know. I don't know. Fire the Panama, I don't know. Abogini be far, Ogo Panabike. Kedife Pataluya, I don't know.
Hey! Outside! Maggie Buomo, Maggie asking. Maggie! Maggie has given me this house.
What happened?
You are still asking question. Come and taste your soup. Hey! Taste your soup. Hey!
What is happening,
Taste your soup. Come and take your soup. Hey!
What poison did you put in my son-in-law's food? You want to kill my father? You said that we are going to regret this evening. So this is what you planned.
Believe me, I tasted this soup after cooking it. It was not like this.
Maggie, what did I do to you? That made you want to kill me?
How many?
Just close your mouth.
Will you shut up your mouth? Didn't you see what your mother has done? So it is one of 2 of you to kill me before my time. Why?
Part of evil part. What is this? That is what it looks like. I poured that soup away. You want to kill my father? Your evil plan will not work. It is you and your witch of a mother that planned this. Mind yourself. Look at them. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Kill her. Don't leave me.
Leave me, let me teach them. They will not go free.
Shut up your mouth. Leave me alone to do what? Leave me alone to do what, eh? To fight the one that knows that your mother did the wrong. Or your mother that wanted to kill me. I beg her or not, eh? We come. Then we come. They are hey!
Let me tell you something, eh? Next time you talk to my mother like that, I will squeeze your mouth. I will deal with all of you. You that is running your mouth like...
You two are the cause of your own problem. Eh? Had it been you poisoned those two witches at the time I told you, all this running around wouldn't be necessary. But you were treating them with kid's gloves, forgetting that you can never impress the enemy, even though you bring the sky down to honor him.
I am begging you in the name of God. You need to talk to Akubudo. If you see the way he chased us out of that compound with the cutlass, he almost cut off our heads. Biko, he's your best friend. Just talk to him.
How many times? How many times? Eh? Do I have to offer him one of my testicles before he realizes that it's the coming of Maggie and her daughter into the house? That is the beginning of his untimely death? Eh? I've told him so many times, but you know, Akubudo is as deaf as the stone.
Oblu too. Continue.
Naijeku, please, you have to talk to Papa. That man has changed. Something is wrong somewhere. You have to talk to him. Please.
Okay. But Nemolu, you must go back to the Omoada and make sure they have actually killed these two witches. Then I can confront Akubudo. And your problem will be over. Forever.
So what's wrong? I will do that now.
Go now. And make sure you see the two corpses with your own two eyes. Yes. Huh?
Let us go.
I've got what I wanted. This is what I've been waiting for long. Hey, I can now possess my possession. Yes. Hey. Never.
We can't quit. Nemolu, we're not going to quit. We have to go back to the house.
You say quit? Who is quitting? I will not quit until I kill that Maggie and that her stupid daughter and I bury them. Are you not quitting?
Hey! Yeah. We have to go back to that house. We have to go back to that house. Even if it means facing Papa, we will face him. We will face him.
This time around, we need to sharpen our cutlass and keep it standby. I don't understand your father anymore. It's obvious he's bewitched.
Let's go.
But let us rest a while. Because if we go back now, it will not be easy.
Naijeku has been right all along. He said we'll be facing this battle with rubber hands.
It is high time we faced it iron to iron.
Igwe to Igwe. Igwe so only Igwe. Let's go.
Let us go back to the battlefield.
Come and untie this rope. Yes. Yeah. Come and untie this rope. Uku Bruce Lee.
Yes, so.
Uku Bruce Lee.
Maggie.
Shut up.
Home base.
Akwagi. Gịnị ka ịkpọ m?
White witch no.
White witch ka m bụ.
Ya ba mo sun dia white witch bụ angel. Ndị ọcha na-akpọ angel.
Who is an angel? Me. All of a sudden, I have become an angel. Hey, shut up.
Come on, untie me, oh.
I should come on.
One, two, three. Shut up. 5.
Look God. Okay. If what I had. Hey, Mama. Home base.
Ogo Bruce Lee.
That was them.
Mama, can you have
Bia?
another style.
Hey, shut up. Ngwa, dance.
And if I dance this etiri and you don't clap,
I'm here. Dance.
Ngwa. Well, yeah, etiri.
Dance. Both of you. I say dance.
Etiri.
Fabon kete.
They're dancing.
Eti. You come on and shake it. Hey.
Dabara Chukwu dance. Now, dance. I will flog you.
Yeah, but I don't. Me. Nemo. Home base. Home base. Yeah, what about Bruce Lee? I told me no new also.
Get it go. What did you call me?
Says you want mad.
No, I'm a white witch.
I never knew this Dabere can be quiet.
I'm a white witch.
Hi!
Where is that pepper, sir?
Hi! Mama, you just
If you try it.
Aqua this thing alone again your mouth up here.
What was it?
Because we surrender. We surrender.
What did you say?
Because
bring it.
Guinea. Leave the pepper and bring it.
Yeah, Fefe.
Because angel of heaven.
White witch come on.
Of heaven. White witch will say,
"Yeah, do the say."
Wake you were talking about rose. Because bring pepper.
Oh, shut up. Okwagi. Okwoku Bruce Lee. Mani.
I don't know. Aboginess, I don't know. Fire the Panama, I don't know. You don't know, I don't know.
What is this that you're carrying on your head?
Jaku, I'm running away.
Running to where?
I'm running away from the war that has devoured my home. I don't want to die now before my time.
To Fiakwa Kubudo, to Fiakwa. I say to Fiakwa on your behalf. Running away from you. How can you make such a shameful statement? Eh? So you are running away from your responsibilities. When you're going to baby on a true, okay? Eh? You are running away. When you cannot stay in your house and take care of your crisis, what makes you a man?
Jaku, you being a man means me to die in the midst of those ravenous wolves. I chose not to be.
Huh?
I'm running away.
You are not going anywhere. There's your home.
Jaku, go and settle them and marry them now. If you can't, go and settle them and marry them. Jaku, leave me alone. Jaku, go and settle them and marry them. Jaku, my in-laws, I double thank you. Welcome. Firstly, for pardoning me. Secondly, for honoring this emergency invitation. It's all about my marriage that has been giving me a lot of trauma recently. And my life is drawing nearer to untimely grave. Hence, in my pursuance of peace, I have resolved that you should come and take back what I collected from you. Huh? Yes.
Akubudo.
Nice.
So you called us into your house to insult us? You must be out of your mind.
Nice. Hey, can't insult. Where have I insulted you now?
You called us here to take back what you collected from us years back. Where is she? Where is she? Where is Justina? Ewu peacemaker.
Akubudo, I want to ask you a question. Are you also referring to us?
Rufus, my in-law. Yes. Onu nchaka nna agwa. Kono bakro maka na baka nzuike.
You must truly be out of your mind. Eh? Who do you take us for? Eh? Tell me, who do you take us for? Fools? Well, maybe your first in-laws, you can refer to them as fools, but not us. Yes.
Wonderful. You are the type of idiots that gave you the hands of your daughter in marriage. Your daughter came into this peaceful family, destroyed everything, killed our daughter with impunity, and made this very beautiful family into a place of war.
Shut up your mouth, Zeke.
You talking to me like this?
Yes.
Do you know what you are talking?
Who are you? That they call you Zeke does not mean that you are Zeke of Africa.
Don't mind him. Ubelegede beke na kedeze mo. Ganti kangwai. Onye na amaro ndi ede jensu tabia.
Na ya ibuleze mo gbe egweze mo now.
Gekwanti
na koyeli fe na.
Okwe bi you get yele bi be no ma. Mbo so se be mbu no kita ita awu ya.
Let me tell you. If you point that thing at me again.
Mobile nwa ka Igbo.
This is a very simple matter. I can no longer contain the trouble that my marriage to the members of your families has been giving me. I can no longer contain it. Please. That is why I decided that all of you should carry the two families. Let both families go.
It is the family that should go.
It is your family that will go first.
I say it's your family that should go.
Because they will go. And when they go, because first must be first. We are first to be here, and we will continue to be first here.
First indeed. Let me advise you. You better go inside and go and carry that your old witch that you call your daughter or your sister and take her away from here, from my son-in-law's place.
It will also pay you a good dividend if you take that murderer back to your home, that village. Nonsense.
Listen, Zeke, or what do they call you? Let me tell you something. If you point that hand at me again, I will show you that I retired from kickboxing.
So it is only you that did not know that I am the civilian that conquered civil war. Take time, because old soldier do not die. Old soldier never die.
This time they will die. Even the people.
I will point my hands at you as many times as I want, and you cannot do anything. Nonsense. You go. They should go.
Go and carry these people and go.
Onye na amaro ni ede jensu tabia. Ubelegide beke na ekeneze mwo. Viesa na anya. Maka mbo ibe mbu no kita eta ya.
Igweze mo, egweze mo ka ifo. Onu na.
Agbasi ami.
Onu ya na.
Agbasi ami ebe ka mobile nwa.
Abano.
Here. Hey.
2. Here.
2. Hey. Hey.
3.
2.
4. 5. 6.
Hey.
7.
Hey.
8.
Hey.
9.
Hey. Sorry.
Sorry, you get there.
Oh, wait to be me see.
Okay, once more. Take your position again once more. 1.
Hey.
Here. 2.
Hey.
3.
Hey.
4. 5. 6.
Hey.
Don't have to come here. Good. That's great. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, I'm tired. Wait, let me rest. Hey. Chineke, do you know when I watch this thing on TV, it looks so simple.
I'm very tired. I want to go home.
Rest. You rest, your energy will come back again. Then we continue with the training. We can't give up.
We don't need all this hua to kill those people. There are many weapons we can use to kill them. There are many ways to kill a rat.
Have you not been watching TV? Have you not been seeing what Bruce Lee has been doing on TV? Do you know Bruce Lee can kill anybody carrying any kind of weapon?
That is the film. Whole film kind of this is the real life.
So you are learning these arts in order to kill somebody?
Obasali, I paid for your services, so don't ask questions.
But you told me that you are learning martial arts because you love the game.
So we don't love the game and we've been here since morning. And it's getting dark.
Well, I don't think I'll continue anymore because I can see you have a ulterior motive. And besides, the ethics of martial art does not allow such things.
After paying you with the money I got from the sale of my land, it seems you're going home.
But you heard me. The ethics of martial art does not allow you killing somebody. Please, I'm going home. Thank you.
Where are you going?
Yeah, for where?
Wait.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Hey, Kem, look, before you were born, I knew Bruce Lee. Come back here and walk a calo because of... Hey! I said, hey! Okay, I'm up. Hey! Hey! Wow, of course, yeah, Bruce Lee, I go was Hey! Let's say, I got okay, happy West will come back. Give me fish 150 then.
Okay, I came here first too. Nema's 100 naira. My own is not expensive. Give me 100 naira.
I will give the person that came first.
Please, just respect your old age now. Nema's 100 naira. I'm older than her.
You are older than who? Give me that fish now.
Nema's.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself. It's your kind that women will be beaten. Good afternoon, madam, give me crayfish 50 naira. Grind it with pepper 30 naira.
Madam, give me crayfish 50 naira with pepper 30 naira.
Let me sell for her first.
No, you will sell for me first. Look at us, who is older? Go. I am the first daughter.
But she first come now.
I came here first. Give me the thing. On the first. I bought a first. Nemu crayfish.
You may respect your way.
Oh dear.
He's okay now. Maggie! Nebalu!
Akubujo! What is it?
Maggie!
What is it? Why are you shouting like that?
See yourselves! See what you have done by daughter's into! See yourselves!
What is it? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Wow, all the time. Like a broken gong.
You've bewitched your daughters and afflicted them with the seed of discord.
Obin, why are you talking as if you don't know that we have just one witch and one bewitched daughter in this house?
There's only one witch sitting on top of this roof, projecting her daughter, to destroy the peaceful foundation of this house.
Amusu. Agadi Amusu.
Ma Agadi Amusu, ma Aboy Amusu, Amusu ba Amusu. You have made your daughter so shameless that they could go to the market and start fighting.
What did you just say?
Nani, instead of you to tell us now one thing you go, and I say fighting.
Akubudo, did my granddaughter display her karate moves like Bruce Lee?
Nana Agadi.
Only can see many.
Naibiko, were you able to count the injuries on her body? Eh? Whom were the market people clapping for?
Akubuda, just tell me. How many teeth did my daughter collect? Tell me how many.
Shameless mothers. Shameless mothers. You have made your daughter so shameless that we are fighting in the market and spoiled people's things. They are now in the police detention. Go and pay the damages and bear them. How will you have their campaign?
Akubuda, is she not your daughter?
Nani, she's your daughter.
I became childless the day my ex-daughters were bewitched. I have a piece of land I will sell and bail my daughter.
I don't need to sell any land. I will bail my daughter today.
Hey, what's your? If I book magic. Your father went out with the key.
I hope so. I hope so.
Let them hear. Those who have ears, let them hear. They will not sleep in this house. Let me see how it will happen. You build a house, others will come and join you. Come and search who you are coming from. Open the door. Let me kill you. If I let me go. Oh yeah. Open the door. Give me the key. Don't push me. Don't push me again. Papa, open the door. Ahead. Open the door. Papa, open the door. Papa, open the door. Nobody's You're
don't worry, your father will be fine, okay? We're trying our best to make sure everything is okay.
Doctor, why did you allow this bomb through to come and see my father?
She's your sister and she has come to see her father as well.
She's not my sister! Doctor,
why are you wasting your breath on this good-for-nothing idiot?
Have you so forgotten how we dealt with you yesterday night? Ichefugo, how we mashed you, queried you. Ichefuge, you want a repeat match, Ekwa? You want me to obviously have a nightmare?
Okay.
You want a repeat match, this girl? That happened.
You both should calm down. You've come to see your father, not to make more troubles here, okay?
Trouble for this one. She's a small case. I will just treat her like the baby she is now.
Doctor, that man inside there is my father. Okay. This one, I don't know.
This girl, you are not my sister. You look at you. See her voice.
Hey. Okay, you both should just calm down, okay? Just calm down and you can leave here now.
Doctor, I don't know where.
Don't touch me.
One of you should leave my office.
For what, man? Is my father not inside there?
My father is here. Why should I leave?
You guys are causing nuisance here.
I'm not going anywhere. She was already on her way out. Let her get out.
You're very crazy.
I can't stand that girl. Each time I see her, I just imagine thunder striking her down. I detest the sight of her. God forbid.
Come to think of it, that pride of hers. I don't even know who she lords it over. Useless thing. If pride was the only problem that idiot had, I would say it's a common thing for fools to be proud, but she stinks.
Stink! Stink is an understatement. She booms. Hey! Have you seen her underwear? Okay. There's one particular blue one she has. If you see the color. Oh, give it 30 years.
Biko, next time when you see that kind of underwear, straight away, let her go to the bush and collect it.
I don't know why they say we were sisters. No relationship at all. Maybe the hatred, I'm sure. Here she comes. Hey! You dog, where are you going?
And you pig, who are you asking?
Chimo, walking or pig? Did you just call me a pig?
No understatement.
When I go near pig? Hey!
Did I just hear you call her friend pig in her own father's house?
Who? Please. And besides, did I say pig? I made a mistake. I forgot to add S.
Pigs! Get out of here! Shouldn't you be properly?
Wait, Jay. Is it we, as in me and my friends, telling all this one?
Sure.
Stupid.
Doctor, please talk to me. I'm his best friend, huh? I'm in the best position to know about the condition of his health. Not these useless daughters or wife or mother-in-law who surely want him to die.
Well, as it is now, he's suffering from cerebral hemorrhage, and if not treated properly, it could lead into a stroke.
Huh? Stroke?
Yes.
Hey, stroke. Can nothing be done to prevent this?
Yeah, something can be done. To commence treatment, we just need to pay 110,000 naira so that we can speed the process.
100? Oh, please treat my best friend now. Huh? I have about 3,000 naira.
Huh? 3,000 naira?
Yes.
Okay. Try and get money from family members, raise money, and let's see how we can commence treatment on time, because he might lose his life if we're not careful.
Doctor, you won't understand. Nobody in his family can raise even 1 naira. Unless you want me to bring their mouth. Yes, they can use their mouth very well. Hey, okay, I can raise 3,500 naira.
I'm not into foodstuff trade, okay? Try and get the money as soon as possible so that we can commence treatment on your friend. He's at the verge of dying. If we don't do anything on time, it's true. Help your friend, okay? You know how to go.
Hey, doctor, hey.
I don't want to die now.
Hey, you will not die, huh? It's just how to raise the money is the problem now. Huh?
Go and sell my land at America and pay the bill. You will find the document in my portfolio on the ceiling above my bedroom.
All right.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Yes, I will, I will right away. So finally I've laid my hands on these documents. The same Ameke land that his father robbed my father of. Wisdom is the best answer. Didi Amaka wow. Didi Amaka. What I'm telling you now is a secret. I'm telling you this because I believe you are the bona fide first daughter of my best friend. Your father's health is deteriorating and it might lead to stroke. He asked me to sell that his land at Ameke for his treatment. But I don't want to bypass your position as the first child. You should be the one to sell it so that you can keep some change after his treatment. You can go and see the doctor to testify or to verify what I've told you.
Oh, no, there's no point. I can't doubt you. There's no reason to do that. Your voice is like my father's voice.
But don't allow that your witch sister to know about it.
What's our business? How is that going to happen?
While you seek buyers, I can also help to get some.
Thank you, Uncle.
All right, don't mention that.
Yeah, let's papa.
You follow her bumper to bumper because any little space you give her, the land is gone. You are the bona fide first child of my best friend. So you have the sole right to sell that land.
Uncle Chelu. Oh, I don't understand. How did she know about the sale of the land before me? How?
Your father told the doctor to tell Besara to sell the land. And your sister went there to claim that she was Besara. And she had the guts to come back begging me that I should not tell you anything.
Hey!
Wait,
Imagine that idiot. What does she think she is? Uncle, if that girl enters that land, if her 2 left legs enter that land, and we cut it off for her, she's stupid. That land was apportioned to my mother by my father. What's she doing with it now?
Exactly. So you have the sole right to sell that land. She even promised to give me something after selling the land. But I will not soil my hands. I'm an evangelist, you know. So be fast and get a buyer. Because your father's health is at stake.
Uncle, thank you very much. I will. God will bless you for me.
I did not tell you anything, did I?
Makagene, are you scared of her?
God forbid me scared of her. For what? It's for your own good. Because the next thing she will plan to attack you and next thing, kill you. and she will not tell me.
Hey! Who is you? In fact, you did not tell me anything. I did not see you.
Bam! Oh, okay. Bam! You got that. You got that. Yes. All right. I'll be going.
So what? Hey, Chineke. Hey!
What kind of thing is this? After all my daughter slaved for, even me in Nemolu, I built part of that house. It cannot happen. What is the matter? You're asking me what the matter is? When that witch that devoured my daughter and roasted my grandson is still alive, you see what is the matter?
She will not go unpunished. She will surely not go unpunished.
Is she not punished?
She will surely not go unpunished.
The only thing that will gladden my heart is if I see her dead and I see punished. I want her dead. They are fine now.
They will never escape it. They will never escape it. Painful death.
Painful death? Hi. One more. How soon? How soon will that come? Because I cannot wait. I can just see them. I can just.
The battle is already half won. Dabere is a trusted warrior. Our enemies can never meet her slumber. Trust me now.
Dabere will not slumber.
No.
But Dabere is only but a child. She knows not the way of witches.
Wisdom searches out all things. Dabere is a girl of wisdom. And she will definitely conquer. Trust me now.
I want their blood spilled.
I'm going to go get her.
I want the blood spilled.
It is done already.
It
is done already. It is done.
Hey!
You know you will still be here. You left the house just to come and stay here alone. Why are you allowing your feelings drag you so far?
God, I hate human beings. The heart of man is wicked.
Maggie, you are not a wicked person. You are good. Come back to who you used to be.
She ousted me from my husband's house just because I was nice and peaceful. Ugochi, why does the world like fighters? Why does the world like killers and deceivers?
You are not a monster. You are still an angel. Please, don't say that. Don't change from the person that you are.
Ugochi, please. I want to be left alone.
Please. Let's let me be. Let's go home. Please.
Just let me be. I want to be left alone, please, please.
All this place, you can see it now. Ebanini. This is the land, and we are ready to sell.
What is the dimension?
Dimension? Look, Papa, need that pawpaw tree. Yes. Once you extend it to that pineapple one, don't mind that fence, so down to this place. That's all. The entire place is very big and it's a very good site.
You mean if I bring the money now, you will give me the papers?
No time wasted at all. I will have the papers given to you immediately. Just show us the money.
What?
No, don't mind that. That pineapple tree. I mind the one. What are you doing here?
And you know which? What are you doing on my father's land?
What are you doing here? This is the land my father said I should sell so I can give him the proceeds to pay for his treatment or give him the medicine.
No beef. It is me my father told to sell this land and bring the money for his treatment, not you.
Hey!
This land belongs to your father.
It is my father's land, because
this one has entered one chance. This girl will one chance.
Go on, sit down. And you, if you do not get away from this land with those two left crooked legs of yours, you will lose both the money and the land.
Hey, where are you going? Where is he going? You will let this roach, this equiqui discourage you from what you are here to do.
Bia, seriously, Siaba for now.
Listen. Two of you should settle this matter.
Nonsense.
If you see if anything happens to my father, you will require another planet for your existence. I'm telling you.
If anything happens to my father, even another planet will not be enough to contain your carcass. Because I will so roast you, I will roast you back to the dust that you came from.
Nekelu father? Which father? Because we are not communicating here. Which one?
Go and sit down.
Let me tell you, you need a mirror.
You need real.
Maybe by then you will see what an idiot you are and probably recognize the fool that gave birth to you. Because a brown father.
Look around though. It is just both of us here. How? Watch your tongue before I cut it off for you.
My friend, what another person here to buy this land?
Let me see your two left legs in this land. If I don't bend it, you will know my name is not. Which man? What are you here? Let me see anybody here. Let Muhammad you near Madu here. Man,
Is anybody home?
It's me.
It's you. Why are you making noise? What is it? Who are you looking for?
Please, I'm looking for Besara.
Besara?
Besara now, your sister.
Who is she to you?
She's my friend. She's my girlfriend.
Hey! Your girlfriend?
Yes? It's my girlfriend.
That pig is your girlfriend? Yeah. Easy, that one is your girlfriend. Hey! No wonder. Ibuga Ibu Dotti. Ilijuga Afo. Ibu Dotti. Besara is your girlfriend. Yes. Do you know that girl smells worse than Ogiri? Do you know? Hey! 2 weeks gonna your full pants. 1 month, one bra. Yet she does not wash. I have called her. Like a good sister that I am. Spoken to her, she refused. My father called her, Mba. My mother called her, Mba. Besara has just refused to clean up herself. Even to brush her mouth. Nah. You need nonsense, so. Why are you keeping your face like that? Is she not your girlfriend? You don't know what to eat again?
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Am I sure of what I'm telling you? Am I sure? You are doubting me. In a doubt. Wait. Hold it. Hey! I have to go and scrub my hands after. Hey! Hey! This is the one we could salvage. What about the ones we threw away? Hey!
Are you trying to tell me that this is Besara's pants?
Hey! In a hand, go now. Is it not the place you go to? You don't. I've been in a glass. Okay, which is lying. See that blue one now? You know that blue one? Nah, ain't a little go. In a little nonsense. No wonder you're this big. It's a now healthy Igbo. Doctors had him show no lekugo. Please, go. Let's deal with Besara only. Please, just go. Oh? Go now. We can't handle both of you.
I'll go.
Go.
But tell her that we'll see. I'll go.
You still want to see
I'll
her?
go, no problem. I'll go.
I'll go, no problem. Hey, the big kid. You can see. So Puma can see the gap. Hey, you want to go toilet?
You mean to tell me you want to let her sell the land? When your father specifically mentioned you to sell the land?
What we need is the money. As long as my father will be treated, I don't care. Let us sell.
Your father is not dead yet, and you are already going against his will. Let him not hear this, and that's enough to kill him.
Uncle, if we keep contesting about who will sell the land, then the time the doctor gave my father will elapse. He'll be down with stroke. So, let us sell the land, bring the money, and then we'll use it to treat my father. After all, that is the most important thing here.
Has it ever occurred to you that Dabere is a witch? All I wanted to say is, Dabere is your senior sister, and if you accept her, everything will be all right. The problem will be over.
Uncle, I don't understand you anymore.
I know what I'm doing. You see, I will tell you, everybody in this village is a professional gossip, especially the Igbo. Yes. Now, this one that just passed now, she'll carry the wrong message to Dabere. And she will trust me more. She will trust me so much that she will tell me all the secrets when she wants to kill you.
Hey, I understand. Hi, Uncle Diego.
This is the time to fight for her birthright. Fight her, beat her, humiliate her, and squeeze her. Look, her tears is your birthright. Your father knows that you can do all this for his sake. That is why he specifically mentioned you.
How can I do that when she has turned herself into a monitoring spirit? Anytime I go into that land, she's there. Anytime I go there, she's there.
Simple. I will find 2 boys to do the mission for you. Okay, what's up? I'm doing this for your own good. You know I like you. Abram okay Arwala. Oh my God, no, you know.
He did too much. No problem. Okay. I'll wait for you.
All right.
Papa, please try and eat something. Oh, Biko.
I'm not my son.
Hi, Biko, just a little. Try again. Please.
Papa, please, I have something that happens here. I have something better for you here to eat.
That poison you have there is food up, yeah?
Woohoo! You think my father doesn't have brain? He knows you want to give him poison. That's why he's not opening his mouth. Papa, Big, Nancy, let me give you the special food I got for you.
Imetuma kozo.
If it didn't, I am the first daughter. And it is my right to feed my father, not you. Come on, get away. Don't even try giving him this food. Isn't it that I want to make
Did you throw my father's food away?
Your father did it. Hey! Chineke! Yes! Oh, one. It's not one again. Yes, it's not one again. It's one again. It's one again. Who are you? What are you doing here?
There are other patients here.
Shut up from here. I will call the doctor. We will finish the doctor. We will finish the fight outside. We will finish it outside.
Oh, my cable. Sorry. My cable.
Look out, just take a look at the mess here. Stop nonsense is this for crying out loud?
Let's believe that nothing has happened to my brother. Because if anything happens, hey, even the stubborn fly will forbid your corpse.
Uncle, do you know that the last time people came here to tell this witch and her mother to leave us alone, they swore to make sure that nobody will have peace in this house?
Really?
It is the demon and the evil spirits that are possessing both you and that your witch of a grandmother that is trying to destroy the peace in this house and destroy my father as well.
Hey! Father! Don't you know who your father is? Or you've taken a look at this place and it looks like a dumping ground for bastards? My friend, Joko chop Papa Nilo and carry a side stool and sit down. Not coming in on a center seat.
Let me tell you something. If not for Uncle that is here, I would have just meshed those lips of yours into one flesh. Now,
who is your uncle? Who is your uncle? I am asking you. I don't even know how you missed into my brother's house. How could you be so useless that your mother dumped you into another woman's house and ran away? How?
Hey! Cut away, you there! Come on, cut away, you! She here, my friend. Look at you, because I called you uncle. Uncle, my bum. I was just expecting you, but he broke and you run. Cut away, you! Let me tell you something. If you say pin here again,
I will change position for you. I will change position for you. Change position for you, my uncle. If you know what is good for you, take that side stool and sit down now. Because if I change my mind and give you headbutt, those two hungry eyes of yours will turn to 4:15.
It's okay. That is exactly what we want. Let her change position. This house is not your home. And I am beginning to suspect how useless your own father is. I am suspecting that.
If you don't have anything to say, spare us the stench that is coming from that your dirty mouth now. Pack here one side. Let me tell you something. Red cap is not maturity.
How dare you? How dare you insult my chieftaincy?
Yeah, you want him now. I will remove the character. Hey! Cut away, you my friend. Get away. Baby, what will you?
You know how Baka was a queen. You might wear being. You might wear being. Hey, uncle, you know, go ahead.
Please, don't worry. Let me tell you this. You will not even know how heartless I will be if anything happens to my brother. And you will bath with ice cold water. Yet you will cry that it is too hot for you.
Ikuchago? Let me go.
Just can't happen back. Nothing. I think that if you look around with everything that is happening, it will give you enough sense to go in there, pack your things into your tin can, put it on your head. Just go out. Don't answer anybody's call. Just keep running. Forward ever. Don't come back. Backward never.
It's you. Hi. I thought you had sense. Let me give you one advice. It is better for you to close your mouth and let people assume that you're an idiot than for you to say something and then prove to them that you're an idiot. How else will people know that you're an idiot if you do not go out there to help yourself? This thing you just said now just showed me that you don't have brain.
First one happened, second one, third one, fifth one. You want to expose yourself before you package yourself, Abi? Stay there, pack your things. Onye menkegi, mo, enyeye, oleka, ebo kunye ntu ahụ no isi, ebugo di ntu oisi, we wele luoche, ama ebocha ahụ now. So among water would nkegi mancha. The native doctor is even dead. You are helpless. Yes. I'm a one. Udoka idinota maka udoka idinota maka.
Excuse me, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, is this Akubudo's compound? Thank you. I'm here to drop a letter for one Daberechi Akubudo of Wejiofo.
What's the letter about?
Sorry, are you the girl in question?
I hope there's no problem.
Not at all, but good news.
Oh yeah, now. Give it to me. She's my immediate younger sister.
Please sign here and your name. Then we have the letter for her.
Oh no, your phone.
She has been admitted into the State University. She must ensure to come with the admission letter to complete her registration.
No problem. I'll tell her. Hey! Somebody has been granted admission into the university. But nobody will go to any university in this house. Hey! Give me my admission letter. Hey! Why are you just in this house? For where? Hello! You should have never go. Piano! I'm going to the university. And I'm going to my university. Yeah. I'll be my friend. Oh, yeah. It's very good. You don't hit the school.
That's like good. Please.
You people are working here, eh?
Good afternoon.
But your faces are not familiar.
We are actually strangers from another, laborers from another village.
Forgive me. It is old age. Has somebody finally bought the land?
No, that we are not certain about. Besa just employed us to clear the land.
Clear the land.
Oh, Basarawam, hey, my daughter. She's a nice girl, eh? Yeah, she deserves all the commitment you people are putting in. What you see, Nikki? Oh, work well, eh? Yeah, God. Dabere. If not for one thing, I will not forgive you for the singular disrespect of my confidence in you.
Hey, Nai, what have I done? How did I disrespect the confidence in you?
How can your father, my best friend, ask me to do something for him? Eh? But out of the goodness of my heart and the evangelist in me, I decided to respect your position in the family as the first child and asked you to sell the land by yourself. But you not only leaked the secret to your witch sister, you allowed her to sell the land. Eh? But now she has sold the land and she has taken the money. What do I tell my friend, whose life depends on the proceeds of the land? Eh?
Nai, this is wrong information. Ezioku, it's wrong information because that land is still in my possession, very intact.
So you call me a liar? Eh? You stare me in the face and call me a liar. You label me a liar.
Nai, I can't call you a liar. I'm not saying that you are lying. No. It's just that I know that land has not been sold. Nobody has sold it. I've not sold it, nothing.
If you cannot fly, run. Run to that place and see with your eyes what is happening.
Nai.
I say run. You just run to that place now.
Nai, you mean it?
Hey! Ojomo watubola mo amanjaneze. Oko wasadio. Ojomo watubola mo amanjaneze. Obiumuwa joka. Onyo mamado obuya nebuya. Amonye bonye, amankonye neche, mara niru.
Hey, Yali, people Ezioku, come. What are you doing on my farmland? Eh? Yeah, wait. Are you people clearing this place for pastures or for space?
For space now.
For space on my farmland. Before I download my eyes and upgrade them, do yourself, Guinea. Viam! Get out from this place, officer.
What is the problem?
What? Oh,
we're even confused.
Okay, you're still asking me what it is. My friend, stand up, sir. Leave me alone. You're okay. What's that? Hey!
Just we say in our body.
Leave me alone.
Don't wait for me.
Idiots, fools. Never, came to clear space on your father's land. Fools, let me see you here again. Chineke me. Hi. Chineke. Bia, where are these boys? Hey!
this door now?
Why did you lock this? Do you know my father is inside that place? Yeah? Are you mad? How are you talking to me like that? Come, let me tell you something. You see this house? It is a residential house for sane people. Jenny, no? Na gota, na dustbin. Eba na ya for ifya. That is where people like you are supposed to be. You never know why.
Oh, come on, open this up before Thunder fires your head there.
Thunder has already fired your own. Now what? Okay, if you live here na kosa sieba. Imechije water pack. This is just the beginning.
You know me now. I didn't want last.
By evening, you will peel your skin the way you remove your clothes. With this mbaka,
you know me now. You will be the first one to run mad in this compound.
Look at this one,
Hey! Why Karaka?
Jeku!
Why Dikeh?
Ebekisi, you're welcome.
I'm so happy to see you strong and healthy.
Come inside, come inside.
No, there's no time for that. There's fire on the mountain.
Fire?
Yes.
Which mountain?
The mountain you left in your son-in-law's house.
What's the matter? Has anything happened to my daughter?
Not only that anything happened to her, she is now raving mad.
Chimebuemo, how? Why?
A man who has a lion in his ghost barn. Does he ask questions? Who devoured his goat? You know the class of witches in whose den you abandoned your granddaughter.
I said it. Jeku, I said it. I said that those witches will kill my granddaughter for me. Eh? Jeku, what do I do? What do I do? I'm going down. Jeku, in my japa.
No. So you want to jettison the police order?
Police order? Jeku, if those wicked people kill my granddaughter, what will the police do? Will they bring her back to life? Jeku, I move.
Wait, no. Did I expend my energy for nothing? Trekking all this long distance to come and see you and tell you about your daughter's condition? Eh? I have a solution for it.
Solution? What solution are we talking about here, Joe? What solution? The only solution, an eye for an eye. Eh?
Yes, but wait. Okwamu abia. Abukwa mago. Ago kambu nwoke jejemba. You see this?
Okay.
A substance has been sprinkled on Dabere's body. She's scratching her body all over. In fact, she is badly lacerated.
Or maybe Leiru.
But this one, if it is sprinkled on Kwesara's body, even Dabere will pity her. You will need 2 men to go on the mission of this. Have it. Nalom. What are you?
Nani, come inside. Come inside.
No, I will. I have somewhere to go. Yes.
Nani, darling. Thank you so much. Thank you, eh? Oh, na. Dalo.
disappointed father. I suffered. I toiled to bring you up, but you ended up bringing me down. You are more interested in your differences more than your father's life. Shame on you. I have no delight in the number of fights you won. Your strength is useless to me. You can use it to save my life.
Papa, please. I am very, very sorry. Please, Papa, just forgive me. I will do everything. Anything I can. Any means possible, I will take it. Just give me some time. I will sell the land, get the money, and then continue your treatment. Bikono.
Where was your tears?
Hey.
You feel that? I've already gone halfway closer to my ancestors.
Papa. Papa, no. Bikono. Papa, please. Bikono, don't talk like that. Papa, they forced me into this, Papa. But please, just forgive me. I am sorry. I will sell the land, I promise you. Bikono. Papa.
Go and fight.
Hey, Papa, I don't want to fight again. Papa, please.
Dabere. Nne m olu. Nwa si na nne ya lara ụla. Enwere ike iji anyị afọ ụla. Since both of you have decided that I will not sleep, you will never sleep.
Jesus Christ! What are you doing?
Who gave you that pot of charm? Hey! Chineke me itogu! Onye panyere gi itogu! What are you doing with this? What are you doing with it? How can I kill a human like me? How?
Kill? What are you saying?
You mean you want to kill your stepdaughter and her grandmother? God, they deserve to die. They deserve to be killed for their evil. But for one thing, blood.
No, my friend. Just like I told you before, you don't have the heart to kill. You are a good person.
Don't allow anyone pull you out of your shell.
Please, 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 please don't do this. Don't do this, please, please, please.
I cannot kill her. She's ignorant of the big secret.
Secret?
What she does not know is bigger than her.
What secret are you talking about?
I know you are behind this. God will punish you. I will not rest until I kill you.
So you thought I was going to let you go like that, scot-free? Spare back time. You get it?
You are nothing but an idiot. But if I do not bury you inside your grave,
that is if you last long enough to do it, because you are going to die. I will make sure I kill you myself. And scratch it. What's that song again? Let me sing it for you. Scratch and wear. It is sweet oh, nkwacha deje, iburu deje, kwakro deje. Everything there. Do me, I do you. God no bless. One. One retreat, no surrender for this compound. I will show you.
Akubudo, my friend, take heart. Nothing will happen to you. I am trying to ensure that you get your treatment as fast as possible.
In my next life, I will choose not to marry. Marriage makes one die early.
Why are you talking about your next life when you have not even started to enjoy this present one? Very soon, everything will be all right.
I understand the true value of having a diapa in our custom. My children are the pillars of love and progress in families. I won't be in this condition if I had a male child.
Why are you talking like this? Even your two daughters, they are working very hard. They want to ensure that you get well very soon.
Jacob, for the very first time since we know ourselves, I am disappointed in you. Highly disappointed.
Why are you talking like this? What do you expect me to say? I could be their next victim.
Of what use? You say that I have two granddaughters, and my farms are filled with farm produce, and I have nothing to eat in this house. I can't even get up from here. I want my wife back. Go bring back my wife.
You mean Maggie?
Yes.
Don't you think that will bring more problem?
Jacob, I want her back.
Well, you are my best friend. I can do anything for you. So long as it will do you well. All right, if you want me to bring back Maggie, let me be on my way. I'll bring her fast.
Ogunamba, Odirama, Iwene Koro, Uberisi, Ndilo, Kane Butenkewa, Manani Mofobi, Ogani Ruyadi, Udoka, Udokama, Udoka, Idinota Maka, Udoka, Udokama, Udoka, Idinota Maka.
going right now to bring Maki back. On the instructions of Akubudo.
Maggie?
But warning you, he told me not to tell you.
Hi!
He told me not to tell you. In fact, he said I must not tell you.
Maggie?
But I am just telling you because I'm a man of peace and justice and fairness.
I have always known that. And I thank you very much. Hey! Maggie.
Brace yourself now up for war. It is now fight to finish. I don't have to tell you this because you have witnessed the civil war. The massacre is allowed.
Nani, do not worry. This is an opportunity that I've been looking for. What I need to do is step this foot into that compound. Massacre is a small matter. This time, it is genocide. Genocide, Koyabu.
But you don't have to pray for your foot to step in there. Your foot is already there because I'm going to bring your prey right now. And you devour her. You just devour her. But don't eat her flesh, oh. Her meat. She's a stinking pig.
Hey! Nah, your bro's a pig. Don't worry about that. I know what to do. Vulture, Megini. Don't worry about that.
Well, people say a lover's house does not have timetable for visitation. I don't know what pushed my leg into your house.
If you do not know, I know. My house is in your heart. Oh no,
all right. But who gave you that information? Because I know I didn't tell you anything.
Nani, which information? You see that sun up there? Nothing is hidden under it. Nani, don't worry. Just bring her for me. I am coming.
So what they on?
Can't you get my canvas?
So what they on?
Get her,
Oh, why no. Bye. Ha, Maggie Nusu.
Hey, welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
What a surprise.
Thank you, my dear. How are you?
If I say fine, it will be an irony. Please, come inside.
Oh, no. You are the one to go inside, pack all your things, because we are leaving immediately.
Nigel, I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem at all. I spoke with your husband, your beloved husband, and he has asked me to come and get you back to him. So, you go in there, pack all your things, and we are leaving immediately.
Thank you, Nigel.
Enokura. Oh, Maggie. Wanyoma. Hey. Edema wanye. Hey. Quiet. I mean,
just wrap him, just leave me a little. Let me get up. Mama,
Don't allow any of them to step out.
Yes.
You have succeeded in killing my own brother. First you killed the wife, and you roasted the child. Hey, Maggie.
Rest in peace.
That's right.
Stay on this. Abi?
Now you I did not.
Then who killed? Who killed him? Liar. Who did?
I did not.
Liar.
She's lying.
White witch.
The truth is inside.
What? She wants to disappear.
Come off. What truth? What truth, Maggie?
I need to go inside and bring it.
Maggie? So you want to go in and perform another magic?
Nai, if I don't go inside, if I don't bring it, you will never know the truth.
Somebody must escort her.
Yes.
Somebody must go with her.
Yes! Osuji, brother, go with her, eh? Yes, sir, brother. Go and bring it.
Mama, don't leave me here.
Hey! Keep quiet there.
Squatter, fetcher.
When you were dancing cricket,
all your energy, everything, I got back in Kuta.
She must bring that proof.
Yes.
She must bring it.
it's your wife. Did I get it? Your wife?
What is she carrying? Fire. Yeah. Oh.
What is it?
Talk now.
Besara Chukwu and Dabere Chukwu are my twin daughters.
How?
Joking.
How? What proof do you have?
These are their birth certificates. Everything I'm saying here, Justin is a witness.
Hey, you and Justina pushed you out of the house last night. Could that go, Kaba? Hey!
That is what I have been suffering in the hands of your friend. Justina is making life miserable for me. Last night, she lambasted me, tortured me, and pushed me out of my house.
So what?
You have to talk to your friend. You have to talk to her. Justina is making life miserable for me. You have to talk to her. The worst part of it all, Justina said that I, Akogodo, I am not man enough.
Ah? You Johnny Apple? Hey! Nani. You got an uncle. I will talk to her. She is my friend. Biko. As for this one, she said you're important. Biko, wait. Okay. Biko, Nani, you have eaten.
Are we talking of food here? Are we talking of food?
Or
my potency?
Nothing.
Hey! Hey! For my husband. What time you do this? Hey! See, Maggie, you must abort this pregnancy. Hey!
Never! Not with my own baby.
Huh?
With whom I shall prove to the whole world that I'm man enough. Never! Afagadi! Afagadi!
Okay,
why do you disturb yourself? Cry no more! Afagem!
Okay. Josina, I'm sorry. I just travel far from this land to not show this pregnancy. I want to put to bed. I promise. I shall give you the baby. I'm sorry.
Not in
Definitely.
Yes? Not in this house. Can never happen. And not try reading them, man. It can never happen. See this house? It can never. Me, I get belly. I need my own child. What's the fuck? Listen, we are talking. We're not going inside. We are talking.
As I promised to give you the baby, here they are. So it's...
As we swear to this blood oath, nobody must reveal this to anybody forever. If anybody does that, death is the only penalty.
How are you?
I will.
My mind is not at rest. I shall have one of the things.
We couldn't say it because of the blood oath we took.
Yeah? Yaka.
Everything is written in here.
Hey!
Amaroko no Pico by alumnum. Amarano, Mamaranya Walum. Amaranya Kawalum. I did not kill anybody. The baby Biko, no. I did not kill Justina. Neither did I kill my husband.
So, we have been fighting a useless war. May God have mercy on us. Maggie, wipe your eyes. Don't cry. It's okay.
You're welcome.
No, Molly, don't welcome me anything. You have messed the dignity of grey hair. How could you have allowed those idiots to play such pranks on you? Huh? How could you allow them? Huh? Is that story ever possible?
Okuya, what do you advise I do?
That's the point. Now, since they have come with pranks, let us follow them with magic. Remember, they set your house on fire.
Where is Yoku?
Yes.
I
know a very powerful Dibia. He will give you charm with which you can destroy them once and for all.
Hi!
Yes.
Is Yoku?
Yes, then everything is over.
Chalwa.
Hey, Nigel.
Okay.
Nigel.
Come, let me explain.
Let
me explain myself, right? Please let me explain.
Jakulu Dabere and explain. Go and explain to Dabere. Home base. One year back.
Biko, let me explain. Naya, it was when I wanted to tell your grandmother.
Hey, sorry, no, hash. Sorry, it's okay.
Get to Besara, 3310.
Naya, when I wanted to tell your grandmother is that...
Come on, get away here.
Besara Chupu, maka gini kezeno respect.
3310. Okay, Choku's a white witch. Almost watcher. Choku, very kind woman. Obiate your cha on your kanjibanya white witch.
Upu Bruce Lee. Upu Bruce Lee. Nigel.
You're my best friend.
Abu Mezibo Mpata. Oh yeah, good woman.
Chana takudi anga. Ngwa mami hoji pole.
Yes. You see no mayo. Do you know why home base? Let go down.
No land.
Home base. Let it be. See me John.
Why your Bruce Lee?
3310.
Your Bruce Lee.
I'm also a child. I'm white me. I'm Bruce Lee. Okay, to the land.
Oya boys mama.
Udo adịrọ mma iwe na-ekworo obere isi ndị ilo ga na-ebute nkewa mana anyị nwe ofu obi ọganiru ya dị udo udoka udoka mma udoka ịdị n'otu amaka udoka udoka mma udoka ịdị n'otu amaka